Just when you thought that things had quietened down in the scrap metal segment, an incident has once again highlighted the measures some will take to get what they want. New security footage has now revealed just how daring some have become as they vandalize property to get their hands on what they consider to be scrap metal. Let's start with the story.
Up until now, we have only heard about scrap metal thefts. Today we get to see it happens right before our eyes. As this closed-circuit television security camera shows, a four-wheel drive pulls up outside this outlet along the capital city's normally busy Rodwell Road. In broad daylight, the vehicle pulls up onto the pavement. Moments later, two men disembark. The driver goes on the lookout, while a second walks around to check if the coast is clear. They don't realize that their every movement is being captured on a security camera above them. Satisfied that no one is looking, one of the men very quickly moves towards the water main